Taking pride in our local sports is something that brings our community together unlike almost anything else. Rallying for our local athletes fills us with a unique sense of togetherness, especially when they emerge victorious.
And one such team just pulled this off in the NCAA Division III Men's Lacrosse National Championships. And I'm of course referring to Salisbury University. Here to break down the big win is Braden Glushakow. He is a defensive midfielder on the team, as well as Nestor. He plays an offensive midfielder. Thanks for being here.
Thanks for having
us.
us.
And right out of the box, congratulations.
Thank you.
Yeah, how's it feel?
Amazing.
Amazing.
Yeah,
it's hard to put to words.
Yeah. Okay, well we're gonna go back a little bit. 2021, Salisbury lost by 1 point in the championship game. Did that motivate you for the following season?
Yeah, so that actually was 2 years ago. But ever since then, I feel like our team's had a spirit to us, and all of us are very committed to each other and committed to obviously achieving our goal, and that was to win the whole thing. But last year we came up short. We actually lost to the team that we played in the championship this year. However, this year we played them again, and we emerged victorious.
Even better, the revenge factor, right? So tell us, what was that win like over Tufts?
It was amazing. Like we all played together as a team. We really came together. We had the energy. And I really, no point during the game I didn't think we had it. We all had each other's backs, and we really just played like a team.
Yeah. Just as Luke said, the team factor, I think, really did it for us. The morning we had breakfast, and everyone was just, the energy in the room was just like very good. Our coach always says to do your job, and I think that's what everyone did on that day, and that's why we came out on top.
The chemistry.
And you mentioned your coach. I mean, one of the winningest lacrosse coach in the country. Tell us a little bit about playing for him.
Yeah, it's really cool. I mean, we both grew up around here, so like we both came to Salisbury's games like since we were really little, and just seeing him on the sideline like as a spectator to now playing under him, it's really cool. It's probably one of the best things. If you can play lacrosse, that's the goal.
Yeah.
And just as you mentioned, he's like a legend in the game. I don't think there's any coach in college lacrosse that has more wins than him. So to be able to play for him, it's pretty awesome. He brings the energy, and he gets us right. He motivates us, he inspires us, and he pushed us to work hard. So
brings the energy. That's code for something.
Yeah.
Right, it gets you going. So I mentioned chemistry before too. You guys have known each other for a while, and I'm sure that helps, right?
Yeah, we've known each other since like 3rd grade, and we've just been playing ever since together.
So what do you think a big win like this means for the legacy of the team?
I mean, just talking about SU lacrosse, the legacy is huge. Coming here, we had 12 national championships, and obviously every year you're looking to add one to it. Fortunately we did, and we're super proud and happy to do that. And going forward, I hope that we can continue to get some more. But it's awesome to be a part of the legacy that is SU lacrosse.
Yep.
Any plans for the future for either of you?
Come back another year.
Come back another year.
Do it again,
right? Number 14,
That's
right?
Yeah.
Number 14.
Got to repeat.
Well, Braden and Luke, congratulations again on the win, and be sure to pass along our congratulations to the rest of the team.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Sounds great. All right.